a pumpkin soup. So this is great for the people that are vegetarians or even vegans going on at your Thanksgiving. I mean, you know, there's always
every family has them.
There's always one in a bunch. So I have some leeks, some celery, and some carrots sweating away here. I am adding some cheese pumpkin and some potatoes. So a lot of times with soups like this, you think of them as creamy soups, but instead of being a creamy soup, we're thickening with potatoes, right?
Call.
There we go. So we're getting all of those guys in. And we're adding, of course, a couple of cups of wine because it's not Thanksgiving without the wine, right? There we go.
Save some for you. You'll be in a better mood.
2 cups of wine for soup, 2 cups of wine for us. There we go. All right, we stir that around. We BTB, RTS, bring to boil, reduce to simmer. We reduce that wine by about half.
Herbage.
We throw in our thyme bundle, bay leaves, and 2 quarts of Rachael Ray stock. And we're gonna give it a little fun citrus. So I have an orange that we're going to just cut in half, squeeze, and drop right in there. So it gives a fun little like sweetness, deliciousness happening. So, whoa. Wow.
I got hand juicy.
That was, wow.
Sorry, buddy.
All right.
Throw this in though, yes?
Yes, please. That's quite a Thanksgiving. So what we do is we cook this until the squash and the potatoes are super soft, and then we just puree them. So this is our soup that we've cooked for about 30 to 40 minutes until everything was nice and cooked through and soft.
Beautiful. It's so aromatic, and look how creamy it is, you guys, and there's no cream in there.
No cream, nothing vegetable, nothing
it's all
animal.
vegetable based.
So there we go. Now, here's where if you have vegetarians that are not vegan, you can go ahead and do the adornment like this. We have some allspice whipped cream. So
Yum!
This is a little bit fancy. So then people can stir it in themselves, and some fried leeks. So we add a little crispy crunchiness.
Oh, beautiful.
It's what I call frizzled Brussels sprouts. I have some pancetta that I've rendered and crisped up.
So good.
I mean, bacon sauteing is never a bad thing. I've got some walnuts that I have crunched up in there. I haven't even toasted them yet. I'm kind of toasting them around in my pancetta fat. Getting those right. Yes, all of that. Bacon, I mean, what's better than bacon? Nutty bacon, right? And then
nuts for bacon.
Nuts and bacon. So then we are having, I mean, I love to do Brussels sprouts this way. It's what I call frizzled Brussels sprouts. So we just peel the leaves apart. What's nice about this is we're gonna throw them in here. We're gonna cook them till they steam, but then we're gonna let them get brown and crispy. So they kind of taste like popcorn. This is the kind of dish that makes lovers out of non-Brussels sprout lovers.
People think that they hate Brussels sprouts.
Yes, right? I mean, so what happens is, there we go. This is also a great thing for the kids to do. You can have the kids like be picking apart the Brussels sprout leaves. Like, here you go, kids.
Go do that over there.
Watch the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade and pick Brussels sprouts, right?
A little crushed red pepper.
A little pinch of the spicy stuff, right? That's always good.
Delightful.
Definitely plenty of salt.
Yum.
So then we put a lid on it and we let them steam. So that actually cooks the sprouts. And then we're gonna take the lid off and jack up the heat so that's where we get them brown and crunchy. We're gonna take the lid off those Brussels sprouts and we're just really gonna jack up the heat so they get nice and brown and crispy. And then we're gonna put those right on top. And so they kind of taste like popcorn.
Yum!